So it was about midnight and I was extremely bored. So naturally, I just took my keys and went out for a quick ride. While I was passing by the railway station of my city, I had an intrusive thought. So of course, I just bought a 10 rupee platform ticket and went out to explore the Nagpur railway station. So we are at the Nagpur railway station. It's around 1 a.m. now. I don't have any plans, just randomly have come here. So these cars are for military use, I think, and they're probably going to J&K. Wow. Never seen an army train before. Wow. This is really crazy. Also, I'll be honest, I'm a little scared because it's 1 a.m. and oh, I'm gone. I'm a little scared because it's 1 a.m. This platform is like almost empty, and yeah, I don't know, just I have a bad feeling. But anyways, that's what I love about traveling. Doing things that you don't feel like. That's what adventure, getting uncomfortable. Yeah. So this Nagpur station is undergoing a massive renovation. I think that if this bridge had just one uniform color like warm white, it would look much better. I'm just watching so many people sleeping on the floor. It's kind of sad because I heard a recent announcement where that was that the train is delayed by 12 hours. What? I mean, of course, I can't imagine how a poor guy who is with his family manages when his train is 12 hours late. Where do they stay? What do they do? It's tough one. What can you do? a sudden it's so quiet now. I don't know how. It has gotten like seriously quiet. So that's it for this video. I think this was a really random but quite nice experience. And I think that random adventures are really the best experiences. So make sure to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.